Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Ninja brand professional countertop blender. I'm going to go ahead and flip you around so we can take a look. So as you can see, this is the professional Ninja countertop blender here. So it's that good quality Ninja that we all have come to know and love. With this, you can see it is a 9 cup or a 72 ouncer. It's got the little pour spout here for when you're done. It's got the nice handle to carry it around here, good handle here, and it's got the different power modes. So it's got low, medium, high, it's got pulse, everything that you would need in a blender. With this, I can say it is a very nice, good, strong blender, nice sharp blades in there. I have done anything from smoothies all the way up to cauliflower or mashed cauliflower in here. So it does everything that you need it to. Like I said, the really nice blades, nice, durable, professional quality, and it sits right on your countertop. Thank you for watching.